2025, Manchester has truly become one of the most vibrant and captivating nightlife cities in Europe. As soon as the sun sets, the city transforms. Neon lights illuminate the streets, electronic beats echo from afar, and most importantly, the presence of stunning women turns Manchester nightlife into an unforgettable, living painting of charm and energy. Walking along Deansgate or Spinningfields at midnight, you'll easily come across groups of fashionable young women, dressed in sparkling dresses with elegant heels, or sometimes in edgy streetwear. What makes Manchester special is its diversity, from classic English beauty to cosmopolitan faces reflecting many different cultures. This variety ensures the city's nightlife never feels dull. Inside iconic clubs like Warehouse Project or the Liars Club, you can clearly feel the true party-hard spirit of Manchester. The women here don't just come to dance, they come to express themselves. Every move, every smile, every glance seems to set the room on fire. Their magnetism lies in confidence, freedom, and the way they embrace every beat of the music. Head over to the Northern Quarter, and you'll experience another vibe. Here, the women carry more of an artistic aura, brightly dyed hair, vintage styles, deep yet lively gazes. As they walk into a small bar with a cocktail in hand, the atmosphere lights up. It's a quieter kind of allure, not loud, but powerful enough to make anyone turn their head. What makes Manchester's nightlife women in 2025 stand out is not just their looks or style, but their attitude towards life. They embody the spirit of be yourself. For them, the night isn't just about fun. It's about identity, connection, experience, and creating lasting memories. Perhaps that's why anyone who has ever immersed themselves in Manchester nightlife carries unforgettable impressions. It's not just about music, lights, or drinks. It's the image of confident, captivating women ready to burn brightly with their youth. They are the soul of the city when the clock strikes 3 a.m. Manchester nightlife in 2025 is not merely a night out. It's an experience, an emotional journey that the women here have turned into art. And when you leave the city, what lingers in your memory will be this image: radiant silhouettes of women glowing under Manchester's nightlights.